The Oracle Retail Reference Model, or RRM, is a collection of detailed implementation information for our partners and customers. It is available via cloud service on the Oracle Retail Next-Gen platform, or it can be locally downloaded from My Oracle Support. The RRM includes business process models, technical diagrams, and a retail glossary. The Oracle Retail Reference Model contains deep retail intellectual property that we are sharing in order to help our customers accelerate their implementations and derive maximum value from our software. And it is free to licensed customers and partners. Let's take a deeper look at the three components that make up the Retail Reference Model. The business process flows are a comprehensive set of established industry-leading business processes which guide retailers and implementers on the use of the Oracle Retail applications. The business process flows are based on the input and experience that Oracle Retail and their partners have gained in working with a broad range of retail customers. The processes align with the Oracle solutions, leverage industry standards, and help business units communicate with IT. Process flows are created in Microsoft Visio to allow for customer-specific business processes to be managed and maintained. The technical models describe Oracle Retail's solution offerings with functional integration models and solution domain models. Those implementing Oracle Retail's products will find the Oracle technical models a useful blueprint in understanding how the solutions fit together. It is meant to convey information to a broad audience, from IT executives to development staff. The ability to have context around a particular component in a system and where the system plays a part are essential in understanding the impacts that customization may make and what is required for successful deployment. The Retail Glossary is a searchable collection of definitions and calculations for retail terminology and key performance indicators, or KPIs, with the goal of aligning terminology and KPIs across solution areas for a better overall user experience. The glossary focuses on commonly used terms within retail implementations. Not only do our customers get software from us, but also a wealth of information to help with software implementations. End-to-end business processes and integration models answer the big picture questions of how systems and businesses fit together to provide business solutions for various levels of an organization. Meet Brian. Brian is a business analyst and has been assigned the task of designing the requirements for a customer journey in which an order is placed online, the product is sourced from the supplier, and then picked up in the store. In preparation for a requirements meeting with the business, the technical architect, and a key supplier, he needs to understand both the business process and the technical and integration requirements for the supplier. Brian begins with the business process flows. Brian reviews the list of conceptual flows for the direct-to-consumer business process flows and finds the process in which the order is sourced from the supplier inventory. All process flows have a unique naming convention such as 01.02.06.03 execute example process. The first two numbers in the sequence indicate the domain group. The second set of numbers indicate the level of model, differentiating between the level 1s and level 2s within the conceptual navigation folder. The third set of numbers is the unique folder number with the conceptual or activity navigation folder, which makes the complete model number unique within the collection. The last set of numbers indicates the order of the model within the topic group. Title numbering for the process maps is for categorizing and sorting purposes only and is not to be interpreted as a sequential order of implementation. Brian selects process flow 14.02.00.12, fulfills source order from supplier inventory. He can view the process flow in an HTML version, or with the use of Microsoft Visio, he can view and/or edit the process flow if necessary. After reviewing the level 2 and gaining a high-level understanding of the process and the affected groups, Brian drills into the more detailed level 3 process flow called Fulfill Source Order from Supplier Inventory. Here, at level 3, Brian reviews the business process and the interaction with the supplier and notices that there is a defined integration. He drills into the integration that details the interface with the supplier to review the integration specification. Then Brian begins to navigate into the technical models. He reviews an integration by function flow where he learns that the merchandising system creates a PO with customer details and the destination location with the customer pickup information. He drills into process step 2A to learn more about the supplier integration. Brian is dropped into the latest documentation for download purchase order to suppliers, an integration where he can now review the system capabilities that support sending orders to suppliers. During the requirements meeting, a separate discussion arose regarding the difference between base cost and unit cost, which are both fields in the ASN message. Brian accesses the Retail Glossary to further understand the definition and location of these terms. The Oracle Retail Glossary is a tool that facilitates a single source for defining terms, metrics, and measures used by retailers. Users can search for terms in order to understand their definition, calculation, synonyms, and context, thus helping to align departments and provide consistency. Brian searches for cost in the Retail Glossary and filters his view to find unit cost and base cost. The Retail Reference Model is a free cloud service to customer and partners on the Oracle Retail Next-Gen platform. Within the Oracle Retail Home main dashboard, navigate to the Welcome tab and select the Retail Reference Model tile for instant access to the latest release. From the Welcome page, users can also get direct access to information on the Oracle Retail Cloud Extensions, which is a subcomponent of the business process flows. For customers and partners who prefer a local download, visit My Oracle Support. Simply search a knowledge base number 2058843.2 to access the RRM Information Center, where you will find a brief overview. Select the Available Versions tab for direct access to a download of the model needed. Please reach out to retailprocess_WW@oracle.com with any RRM questions or feedback. Thank you.